Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite HTV projects ever. It is using HTV on Kraft paper. I still cannot believe that this actually worked, and it is a total game changer for design in general. It's such an inexpensive way to use HTV. So the first thing you need to do is to cut out the design that I've included in this post, and you're going to cut it out on heat transfer vinyl. And here are my settings. I'm using stalls. The next thing you are going to do is you are going to weed out your design. So I'm not going to bore you with my weeding, but you know the basics. You're going to leave the words on, and you're going to peel off everything surrounding it and all of the insides of the letters. So let me go ahead and speed this up real quick. And this is what your finished design will look like. The next step is to take a craft runner. So for me, I went ahead and sized it for my table. Then you're going to just put it on your heat press, and you are going to do a pre-press like you would with any t-shirt. And I'm going to hold it just for a few seconds. Then after that, you will take your HTV design and you will set it in place. Because this is not like regular vinyl, it is not going to stick right away. And the reason that I love this is because I can actually now take a ruler and I can make sure that it is even. I'm first going to make sure it's the right distance from the bottom that I'd like. And then if you go ahead and just take a ruler or measuring tape, whatever you'd like, you can actually use it to make sure that your design is centered. I'm going to go ahead and use my design on the outside, the little floral wreath, and make sure that that is centered from side to side, and I will have to adjust it because mine was slightly off, even though it wasn't too bad this time. And again, because it is not regular vinyl, it is easily movable. Then, like normal, you are going to take, and just like with other heat transfer projects, you need to use some sort of Teflon sheet. I'm going to press mine for about 20 seconds. That should be about all you need, and I'm only going to press it once. I know sometimes with HTV you like to press the design more than once to make sure it really gets in there, but for this I'm not going to because it is paper and I do not want to cause any sort of damage to the actual paper. So once I've heated it for 20 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and take off my Teflon sheet, and then you are just going to simply peel the HTV carrier sheet. Make sure you hold on down to the paper so that it does not rip. And then that's it. That is all you have to do to make a heat transfer vinyl paper runner. And here is the final product.